Dari burung liar ke unggas ternak hingga ke sapi perah. Lalu ke manusia pekerja peternakan. Penularan virus flu burung antar spesies seperti ini telah relatif lazim di Amerika Serikat. Tapi belakangan ahli medis mencermati adanya penularan flu burung ke binatang peliharaan.
We do have many reports of cats particularly. There have been some reports of dogs also, but cats particularly acquiring bird flu, predominantly from raw food sources. So this goes with raw milk as well as raw meat. So I'm going to say raw proteins.
Produsen makanan kucing Northwest Naturals di negara bagian Oregon akhirnya menarik produknya dari pasaran, terutama saat ketahuan bahwa produk berbahan daging kalkun ini positif virus flu burung. Pemilik kucing kini diminta lebih waspada.
If we have an indoor-outdoor cat, the most likely exposure to our cat to this virus is going to be through wild animals. It's going to be through birds predominantly. The easiest thing is if you have an inside pet, keeping them inside. If you have a pet who you do want to take outside, and cats are not always happy with this, but if you train them early, you can actually put a harness on them and a lead so that you can keep a close eye on them. In other words, not letting them wander freely in the outdoors because you don't know what they're getting into.
Negara bagian California yang seperti Oregon juga berada di pantai barat Amerika akhirnya menyatakan keadaan darurat flu burung. Negara bagian ini adalah salah satu pusat peternakan Amerika dan produsen susu terbesar.
If you are just a person that is not going to farms, not working on a farm, not ever going to the woods, you probably have a very, very low risk of ever seeing this virus. If you are a farm worker, then definitely increased biosecurity and enhanced PPE, or so personal protective equipment. If you're hunting ducks and when you're processing them, you don't want to eat any raw meat products. Wash your hands.
Bagi manusia, virus flu burung biasanya memunculkan gejala-gejala flu ringan. Meski negara bagian Louisiana akhirnya melaporkan kasus flu burung pertama terhadap manusia yang gejalanya parah. Selama 2024 kemarin, pejabat kesehatan di Amerika Serikat telah mengonfirmasi 66 kasus flu burung pada manusia. Tidak satu pun kasus ini adalah penularan antar manusia, tapi ahli medis terus memantau kemungkinan terjadinya mutasi dalam virus flu burung, termasuk untuk kasus dengan gejala parah di Louisiana. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.